some of the highlights for me have been learning about the way that we can use cells to engineer CO2 from the atmosphere and biotransform that. So maybe for the chemical industry and for other new industries in the future.
The roundtables so far have been really interesting, really great opportunities to hear from colleagues with very different perspectives, what the challenges, the opportunities and the barriers are.
Really enjoy the meeting because it brings together the people in agriculture, plant biologists, ecologists, and also humans in the health science together and to discuss the key questions in climate change.
I don't know if this meeting will have second and third editions of this meeting in subsequent years, but it'd be great if we can. I think this would be a good thing for us to do to contribute to helping the world cope with climate change.